Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know, I am different. Look at Donut with I still have the purple eyes, but it's just that my fire is now blue. I have blue tie, a blue eye patch. I am so much different. I still have the stuff I had from last time. Look, alright. Alright, look, I'll look back. Alright, look, I'm back. It's just that I want to be a different person. I'm pretty sure that's what I look like. I'm keeping with this, it looks cool. Oh, and I'm gonna say goodbye to Screencast Magna, just for a little bit. I'm not gonna be using Screencast Magna for a little bit, just because I have, my little sidekick over here. Yep, Casma, just for another 30 days. Right now, I have my intro and my ending. It's really cool. I just said that in my other video, so it'll be pretty cool. And I have my little friend Devil Wing Cheetah. Say hi. Hey, I'm really sick. Alright, I'm not gonna be talking for the video for a little bit. Is that okay, darling? Yeah, that's good. Let me just better. Yeah, I was just telling you that I'm not gonna use Screencast Magna for just a little bit. By the way, with that you can do really cool stuff with anyways, Casma? I'm pretty sure I'm not sure. Ooh. But I won't be sick. You're a good friend. Oh my gosh, she's a member? Oh no, she used to be a member. I see. And alright, bye. See you later.